Hello, Kajimmer Tashiv. Welcome to Programme 3. We're in southwest Donegal at one of Europe's best kept secrets. I'll tell you about it later on when we're talking about place names. But first of all, we're going to show you how to say where you're from and also how to ask for and give a telephone number. If you missed the first two programmes, don't worry, you'll soon catch up. We'll begin with the question, Castu, where are you from? Castu.
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 Castu. Where are you from? Castu.
Answering the question Castu is quite simple. All you do is put the word as before the place name. For example, Astungal from Donegal.
Castu. Aschellan.
Castu.
Aspuncrana.
Castu.
Ashliga.
So it's as before the place name. Aschellan from Teelan. Let's look at those again.
Castu. Aschellan.
Castu.
Aspuncrana.
Castu.
Ashliga.
Ashliga. From Sligo. Ashliga. Aspuncrana. From Buncrana. Aspuncrana. Aschillan. From Teelan. Aschillan.
If someone asks you where you're from, after answering, you may like to return the question. Castu hain, where are you from yourself? Or simply, Stu hain and yourself?
Castu.
Aspalafia. Castu hin.
Astura.
Mihal McGillaskman Shoddage. Gurmaigad. Castu.
Aslanklam Kilya. Stu hin.
Ashlicher Cannon.
Castu. Aschellan. Mr. Hain. Aschlicher Cannon.
Castu.
Astunangal. Agus tú hen.
Stu hain and yourself? Let's listen to them again.
Castu.
Aspalafia. Castu hin.
Astura.
Mihal McGillaskman Shoddage. Gurmaigad. Castu.
Aslanklam Kilya. Stu hin.
Ashlicher Cannon.
Castu. Aschellan. Mr. Hain. Aschlicher Cannon.
Castu.
Astunangal. Agus tú hen.
Agus tú hain. And yourself. Agus tú hain. Castu hain. Where are you from yourself? Castu hain.
Even if you're from Donegal, Astungal, you might live somewhere else entirely. So we need to learn the word for to live, as in where you reside, which is Coney. Tamamahonia, I live in. Tamamahonia Gillan.
Mihal McGillaskman Shoddage. Gurmaigad. Castu.
Aslanklam Kilya. Stu hin.
Ashlicher Cannon. Atamahoni and Olive.
Castu. Aschellan. Mr. Hain. Aschlicher Cannon. Mahoney mel first, yeah.
Castu. As Chiron. Atamahoni and Olive.
Aston Friesland, Misha. Atami Mahoney and Alio.
Have another look at them.
Mihal McGillaskman Shoddage. Gurmaigad. Castu.
Aslanklam Kilya. Stu hin.
Ashlicher Cannon. Atamahoni and Olive.
Castu. Aschellan. Mr. Hain. Aschlicher Cannon. Mahoney mel first, yeah.
Aston Friesland, Misha. Atami Mahoney and Alio.
Castu. As Chiron. Atamahoni and Olive.
Tamamahoni Ngalif. I live in Galway. Tamamahoni Ngalif. Amel Farshta. In Belfast. Amel Farshta.
Tillan. As Tillan Misha. Chillon is in the parish of Glencolmkill in southwest Donegal, and Irish is the first language of most of the people who live here. Chillon means basin-shaped or hollow. As far as I know, the place name Chillon doesn't occur anywhere else, but other words that do mean hollows, nooks, crannies are lug, hollow, pull, hole, uav, cave, and cawan, another word for hollow. Look out for them in the place names that are coming up. Luganani, hollow of the marsh. Pulafuka, hollow of the goblin. Anuav, the cave. Akawan, the hollow. Overlooking Teelan is Sliuliag, which means the mountain of the flagstones. The back of the mountain is the highest sea cliff in Europe. Near the highest point is Castlananet. Castlananet means one man's pass, because there's room for only one person to cross at a time. It's not to be attempted on a windy day, however, as the drop is almost 2,000 feet into the sea on one side and 450 feet down the mountain on the other. Local folklore tells us that Sliuliag was a favourite hunting ground of Finn McCool. He arrived here once to find that a rival giant had taken up residence. So with the help of his faithful hound Bran, he disposed of the competition, and all we have left to remind us of the giant are his desk and chair. Now for a quick recap on what we've done so far. Castu, where are you from? And to reply, you say as plus the place name. For example, Asalbing, from Scotland. Stuhain, and yourself. And finally, Tamamahonia, I live in. Tamamahonia Gillan, I live in Teelan.
Castu Idel.
London. A Tamamahonia Mel Ferste. Castu.
Aslankalam Kilya. Stuhain.
Ashley Cannon. A Tamamahonia Ngaliv.
Before visiting in Ballamore, let's look at the numbers 1 to 10.
A hien. A dal. A tree. A car. A quig. A shea. A shacht. A hocht. A knee. A jay.
$7.30, yeah. Thank you.
2 tickets for Dancing at Lunasa, please.
Okay.
Go make it.
Tá fáilte rud.
Oh, could you tatu?
Tá me go mai. Good am I hugat.
Castu.
As did it. Castu hen.
Aslan Colum Kilya. Ach, me mahoni sa walla war.
Oh. A K, a hen, a dó, trí, a ceher, a quig, a sé, a seacht, a hocht, a lí, a jay.
Shake is shocked.
Okay. Quig agus quig sin jabont agus jabont blishe.
Punt is the Irish for pound, so I'm sure you're wondering why the cashier said jai bunt for £10. After 7, 8, 9 and 10, punt adopts a B and is pronounced bunt. Shacht bunt, acht bunt, ní bunt, jai bunt.
2 tickets for Dancing at Lunasa, please.
Okay.
Go make it.
Tá fáilte rud.
Ó, go dtí mar tá tú?
Tá me go maiid, gur a maithe agat.
Cas tú?
As duire, cas tú hen.
As leancail am ciile. Ach tá mé mo chonaí sa bhla bhór.
Ó. Cé, a hín, a dó, trí, a ceithir, a chuig, a sé, a seacht, a hocht, a naoi, a dé.
Sé agus seacht.
OK. Chuig agus chuig sin jabont agus jabont breise.
Gur maigad.
Slán.
Slán.
The next thing we're going to look at is how to ask for and give a telephone number. Ever phone. Look out for a nudge, 0 in the first scene.
Slán go fáil, Liam.
Slán.
Ó, could you ever phone?
Trí dá náid a chuig a náid a náid.
Club a chosta. Mai go leor. Agus ever phone. A hocht, a trí, a dó, a chuig, a ceithir. Mai go leor.
Can you tell
Síle.
Agus tá bhar fón?
Nui a dó a hín a hín a hín.
Naoi, a dó, a hín, a hín, a hín. Clem a scartio?
Slán.
Slán.
Hello? Speciálne. Níl. D'far fón? Dó, ceithir, trí, híon, sé. Mai go leor, gur maith agat. Slán.
Could you ever phone, or simply ever phone, your phone number?
Slán go fáil, Liam.
Slán.
Ó, could you ever phone?
Trí dá náid a chuig a náid a náid.
Club a chosta. Mai go leor. Agus ever phone. A hocht, a trí, a dó, a chuig, a ceithir. Mai go leor.
Can you tell
Síle.
Agus tá bhar fón?
Nui a dó a hín a hín a hín.
Naoi, a dó, a hín, a hín, a hín. Clem a scartio?
Slán.
Slán.
Hello? Speciálne. Níl. D'far fón?
D'far phone. Your phone number. D'far phone. Could you d'far phone? What's your phone number? Could you d'far phone?
So, if someone asks for your phone number, you'll get away with using the single numbers between 0 and 10. To ask someone the time, you say, Cujéan támata sé? What time is it? Cujéan támata sé?
Go me leisceal. Cujéan támata sé?
Déan támata sé?
Déan támata sé?
Go me leisceal. Cujéan támata sé?
Cujéan támata sé? What time is it? Cujéan támata sé?
Cujéan támata sé? To answer, for example, for 1 o'clock, you'd say, Tá sé híneach log. Tá sé, it is, a híneach log, 1 o'clock. Tá sé híneach log.
A híneach log. A dách log. A tríoch log. a ceithreachlog, a cuideachlog, a séachlog, a seachtachlog, a hachtachlog, a níochlog, a déachlog, a híndéagachlog, a dódhéagachlog.
Amárach. Tá sin cuideachlog, tá sin am dul bhhaile. Má go leor. Slán.
Tá sé hachtachlog.
Tá sé hachtachlog. A 10 o'clock. Tá sé hachtachlog.
There is a shorter version you can use. Instead of saying tá sé cúige chlog, it's 5 o'clock, you can drop the tá sé and simply say a cúige chlog, 5 o'clock.
Din támatéise.
Seachtalog.
Seachtachlog. 7 o'clock. A seachtachlog.
This time, we'll watch some people making arrangements to meet each other. So see if you can make out the time that they intend to meet. Sláinte.
Bhí dis go bhna nacht. Dún tam. I go dé chlog. Ó ceart lear ba mionna go dé. Sang fáil.
Sé, a dó, a náid, a dó, a ceithir. Hello, bhfuil drama nacht? Go dé tam? A hachtachlog.
Have another look at them.
Bhí dis go bhna nacht. Dún tam. I go dé chlog. Ó ceart lear ba mionna go dé. Sang fáil.
Sé, a dó, a náid, a dó, a ceithir. Hello, bhfuil drama nacht? Go dé tam?
Cajin Tom. At what time? Cajin Tom.
Deirdre,
Sin!
Chickadíad an drama nacht.
Dancing at Lunacy. Cé sé agus seacht.
Dancing at Lunacy. Cé ocht agus ní. C'est la vie.
Ó ran Gaeilge. Seachtalog. Ig bag na héireann.
Okay, seachtalog bach na héireann. Bach na héireann?
Trí, trí, seacht, sé, sé, ní.
Dá, cear, cuig, sé. Hello, Deirdre. Oh. Sean Hammond ag seacht? Me sé Sean Hammond.
Seachtalog.
Bach na héireann, seachtalog.
Gomalisca.
Gomalisca. C'est la vie. Television?
Michael leor.
Ticketje on drama nacht. Tickets for the play tonight. Dancing at Lunasa, and Lunasa happens to be the Irish word for the month of August. Other new words you will have heard there are telefiche, television, and my galore, okay.
Trí, seach, sé, naí.
Dá, ceathar, cuaig, sé. Hello, Deirdre. Oh. Sean Hammond agus seacht? Me sé Sean Hammond.
Seach the pub.
Bank na héireann, seacht the vlog.
Gomaliska.
Gomaliska. C'est la vie. Television?
Michael leor.
Well, Shinawal, that's it for this programme. Next time, we'll discuss learning and speaking languages. So until then, Gajishan, Slán.
In this episode of Now You're Talking, you heard Castu,
Ashliga,
Castu Hain,
Agus Tuhain,
Tá Mahoney Ngalif,
Ahian,
a Dal,
A Tree,
a Care,
A Cuig,
a Shay,
A Shacht,
a Hot,
A Lee,
a Jay,
Could you ever phone?
Cajin Tamata Sha,
Tá sé dách lug.
a Shachtachlug,
Could Jane Tom?